Hi, welcome to our YouTube channel, Learning Business Ways, where business meets efficiency. If you're eager to enhance your skills in the realms of MS Office, management, business, and data analysis, you've come to the right place. We are dedicated to providing you with valuable tips, tricks, and insightful videos to empower you in the workplace. At our channel, we understand the importance of mastering tools like MS Office to streamline your work processes and boost productivity. Whether it's Excel, Word, PowerPoint, or any other program in the Office suite, we'll guide you through their functionalities and help you uncover hidden features that can save you time and effort. But we don't stop there. We believe that effective management skills are crucial for achieving success in any professional environment. Our videos offer comprehensive guidance on various management techniques, leadership principles, and organizational strategies, equipping you with the knowledge to excel in your role and drive your team towards excellence. In addition to business and management, we delve into the world of data analysis, providing you with valuable insights into data-driven decision-making. From understanding statistical concepts to mastering data visualization tools, we'll empower you to make informed decisions and unlock the potential of data in your field. Subscribe to our channel, hit the notification bell, and be ready to embark on a transformative learning experience. We look forward to helping you unleash your potential and achieve greatness in your professional endeavors. Let's elevate your business and office skills together. Thanks for watching the video. Make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you won't miss the next video.